Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. Today we're going to go through how to view loyalty reports on the merchant website. Once logged on to the merchant portal using the credentials given, click Reports on the sidebar, next Loyalty Reports, and now we're going to go through some of the key reports that are the most popular. First being reward details. Now you can search for rewards by issue dates, expired dates, and redeem dates. So today we're going to look at issued dates and hit search. From there you can see every single reward that's been sent out to all your members, and you can see if they've been redeemed and if they've been expired or not. You can filter the results by field by clicking on the header. In this case we're going to click on the reward redemption by date, and it's going to filter from the newest to the oldest. The next report we're going to go over is the top members report. Now you can search for your members by your the percent, points, sales, and visits, and based on those criteria over a lifetime or a custom date range. In this scenario, we're going to filter by top 50% of members by sales and lifetime accumulation, and then click search. Once the list loads, you can click download and export it into a CSV. The next report we're going to go over is the overall membership report. This is going to show you high-end details about new enrollments, total memberships. You can also filter by different criteria and time to see new enrollments by month and by year and different criteria. You can also see new enrollment sales and new enrollment reward certificates. Some other reporting offered includes duplicate elimination. You can also search for members with the deleted status with new purchases. You can also search by age analysis by sales. If you do have a VIP club or a VIP membership, you can also view that in the VIP/club members. And then we have various data cleansing reports, including phone append, email append, and deceased suppression. Thank you for watching the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions, you can call in at 866-268-4958 or email in at merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.